everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I get beach wave curls doing braids in my hair overnight. So I washed my hair the night before, and then while it was still a little bit damp, I did spray a little bit of water on my hair. I parted my hair in half and then another half, so you're doing 4 braids. This works best if you have really thick hair. If you have quite fine hair, you might be better off doing 2, but for me, I always think 4 gives off the better effect. And because you're sleeping in this and it's just to give the nice effect of a beach wave, you don't have to worry about this section in being on point. So you just want to do a basic braid the whole way down and then just braid it at the bottom and try and make it as tight as possible so that when you move in your sleep, it's not going to fall out and go all messy and all over the place and you'll lose little bits. So then you want to take it down and do a second braid. Anything extravagant while I was doing this. It was basically just a normal braid the whole way down, not overthinking it, just getting it done as fast as I could and as tight as possible. I think that's the main thing, so that doesn't fall out. And as you can see, my lines aren't perfect. Nothing is too perfect about it. It's just all the whole way down. And then once you're done, you just want to give it a good tie at the bottom with a tight elastic band. Then I did the other side and I sprayed a little bit more water. Then I sprayed a tinsy bit of hairspray just to hold it in place and went to bed. And this is the next morning. I put in a little bit of makeup and had a coffee. I was feeling a dark lip moment, but you can see how messy it got during the night. So that's why you have it nice and tight. So then I had some shine spray and I had some serum, and you just want to take it out braid by braid, and just be careful because your hair is quite fragile while it's in a braid. If you're just going to rip it out of your head, it's not good for the hair and the cuticle. So you want to brush down with your hands as you're taking it out to keep the cuticle super smooth. These braids were in for about 10 hours altogether, so I think that's a good amount of time to leave the hair in, and any bit that isn't as curly like at the very front is just because my hair wasn't as wet. So this is when it was all out, and I absolutely love this effect. I always feel like a beach babe when my hair is like this. So this is some Moroccan oil hairspray, a shine spray, and I just spray this all over, not too much because it does leave my hair greasy, and then like half a pump of serum just all over my hands, and I just brush it through and scrunch it into my hair and get rid of all the flyaways just to keep the hair down. But a beach wave effect is kind of messy, so you need to go with it. And then I have this cute hairband that I got from, I think I saw it first, and that was the final result, and it was really cute. You don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my social medias linked below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.